it opened up new doors is what I feel. I think this entire bootcamp is a game changer for me, professionally as well. So the very first week when we got introduced to this SCCCR model, that itself has been a lot of has brought a lot of a great impact in how I work also, even in my regular querying and regular chat GPTing. So I think that from that point itself, everything turned a lot for me. And when it comes to this project itself, as Pratik was also mentioning, working with others and getting that help from others, debugging together, it's been a long while. I mean, I was also an engineer by qualification, but it's been nearly 9 years that I wrote code. Again, we got VS Code installed, did some coding stuff, debug. All that was like really refreshing again, and it opened up new doors is what I feel now. It feels like coding is not as hard as it used to be. Again, back to basics, and from there we are getting to advanced stuff and all. So yeah, this has been really a great game changer. Thanks to Revati and Sumit for all the support that they have been giving us. Thanks a lot.